Let me ask you this. What if we weren't the only civilization in the universe? What if there was life outside of our beloved galaxy? Since the initial development of extraterrestrial investigation, scientists have been searching for water and nutrients, two of the main ingredients that have proven to lead to sustainable life. But the thing is, as civilizations become more advanced, the amount of energy they need to sustain in life increases exponentially from the increase in population and decrease in natural resources. So what if there was a way to measure energy levels to determine the probability of a reliable life source? I present to you the Kardashev Scale. In the early 1960s, Russian astronomer Nikolai Kardashev theorized that the status of the societal conditions is dependent on technology, which dictates how much energy a civilization is able to utilize. Kardashev categorized these energy levels into 5 types. Type 1, the planetary culture. This civilization is able to efficiently harness the output energy of their entire planet and utilize those resources to sustain life. The civilization known as the stellar culture, or Type 2, can skillfully utilize the energy from their closest star and thus not depend on their planet's resources, thus allowing them to utilize their planet for an extreme period of time. The Type 3 civilization, or galactic culture, is able to harness the energy of their respective galaxy, which is about 10 billion times the amount of energy a Type 2 civilization can use based on the Kardashev scale.
To put that into scale, let's say you're a Type 2 civilization. If you are able to harness the energy from the tip of this pen, then a Type 3 civilization will be able to harness the energy from an entire Earth. That's a lot of pen tips.
But now, this is where we get into the more complex cultures. A Type 4 culture, the universal culture, is able to travel across the cosmos and absorb the energy of 1 sextillion suns. These civilizations will have enough power to change the structure of space-time or reverse entropy or randomness, thus breaking one of the fundamental laws of physics, the second law of thermodynamics. Theoretically speaking, this civilization will be able to reach immortality. Now you're probably wondering, how much more power can one civilization have? Well, here's the Type 5, the multiverse culture. This civilization will be able to manipulate the universe, jump between multiverses, and even have the potential to alter matter.
So, you might be asking yourself, where does the human race fit into this scale? Unfortunately, we haven't yet discovered a way to travel multiverses and modify space-time or absorb galactic energy. We use energy from diseased plants and animals, so thus scientists classify us as a Type 0 civilization. But you never know, maybe eventually the human race will learn to travel multiverses or harness enough energy to reach immortality. So what can you do to help society get on that level? I'm Gaurav Mittal, and this was the Kardashev Scale.